Hello, today we will guide you through how to uninstall Cloudflare WARP from Windows. If you no longer need Cloudflare WARP on your computer, Windows gives you a simple way to remove it through the control panel. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so the process is easy to follow. To begin, go to your Windows search. You can do this by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard or by clicking the search bar at the bottom of your screen. This is the quickest way to open built-in Windows tools without having to browse through menus manually. Once the search is open, type Control Panel. As you type, Windows should start showing matching results. Control Panel is the area where you can manage and remove installed programs, so this is where we need to go for the uninstall process. When you see Control Panel appear in the results, click on it to open it. If your screen looks a little different from someone else's, that's completely normal. Different Windows versions can display the same options in slightly different layouts, but the overall process remains the same. Inside Control Panel, look for the option that says Uninstall a Program. This is usually found under the Programs section. Click that option to open the list of applications currently installed on your device. It may take a moment to load, especially if you have many programs installed, so give it a few seconds if needed. Now scroll through the list and look for Cloudflare. Depending on the version installed, it may appear as Cloudflare WARP or simply Cloudflare. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct program before moving on. If the list is long, scanning alphabetically can help you find it more quickly. Once you've found Cloudflare, right-click on it and select Uninstall. This will launch the removal process. At that point, Windows may ask for confirmation before continuing. If you see a confirmation prompt, go ahead and approve it so the uninstall can proceed. From there, just allow Windows to complete the removal. It's a good idea not to close any windows until the process finishes fully. In some cases, you may be asked to restart your computer after the uninstall is complete. If that happens, save any open work first, then restart to make sure the program is fully removed from your system. And that's it. You've successfully started the process to uninstall Cloudflare WARP from Windows.